Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to bold lines in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open our Google Sheet, then we're going to select a cell, then we're going to go to border. As you can see, there's the bottom border. We're going to click on it. So it's going to bold the lower border, as you can see. Then you guys could change the color. For example, we change it to red. As you can see, change it to red. You guys could also check the thickness, the boldness style. So as you can see, it's more bold now. Then all you have to do is select the cell, go to borders and click on the bottom border. Do it again for this as well. Then you guys could also bold the right border. So as you can see, this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.